Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to use ChatGPT with a live internet access, even if you don't have currently access to ChatGPT plugins. So as you can see here, I have used ChatGPT in this prompt in a way that enabled ChatGPT to access live internet data. So as you can see, I have asked what is the current price of Bitcoin in USD, and ChatGPT has replied to me correctly that as of this date, the current price of Bitcoin in USD is $30,800. Alright, so as you might know, ChatGPT will be able to access the internet via a web browser by default when ChatGPT plugins will be available for everyone. However, currently ChatGPT plugins are on a waitlist and it's really difficult to get access to ChatGPT plugins. However, up until we get access to ChatGPT plugins, you're still gonna be able to access live internet data with ChatGPT, and all you have to do is use this Chrome extension called WebChatGPT, ChatGPT with internet access. I will also link it in the description below so you can check it out as well. And once you opened up this Chrome extension page, just click on Add to Chrome and the extension will be installed on your web browser. It also works in Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Brave, or any kind of Chromium based web browser. Right, so once you have installed the Chrome extension, all you have to do is refresh your ChatGPT account. And as you can see under the prompt bar, you're gonna see this web access toolbar here. And what the extension is going to do is by default, it's gonna scrape 3 results from Google search. If you want to scrape or access a specific website, you can add the / here and add the page command. And in that case, this WebChatGPT plugin will get the content of a specific web page. And you're going to be able to ask questions about that web page or use the data and information on that web page as well in your ChatGPT responses. Alright, so let's see in a quick example. So let's see what is the current share price of the Tesla stock. And as you can see, what the extension has done, it has scraped the Google search results, and based on that, as you can see, as of this date, the current share price of Tesla is 185.9 according to Google Finance and Nasdaq. Alright, so all in all, this is how to use ChatGPT with live internet access without having access to the ChatGPT plugin using this web access ChatGPT Chrome extension.